So here's how we can know the color space of the iPhone footage. Let's get started and let me explain how it works. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, definitely subscribe for more tips and videos like this one. Okay, first of all, inside of your main camera app, like if you're using that one, you don't have that many ways to kind of like play with the colors. Obviously, you can apply some filters and whatnot, but it's not really the same thing. So if you want to have at least some control over the color space, I would recommend you to get a different app for recording videos. For example, the Final Cut camera developed by Apple. When you get inside and go to the settings, you can find the codec as well as the color and dynamic range settings, where you have the ability to switch between the standard or HDR, or you have some more options about it. So you can see it is kind of important to have like a different software which does support a little bit more than the built-in one. There are also other apps on the iPhone or on the App Store which support more settings for it. For example, the Blackmagic camera app is a great example because it works on like the iPhone, iPad, and it definitely allows you to see some more information about your footage. So it is definitely something which I would give a try if you need more stuff to be like controlled in here. So essentially, that is the first approach. But outside of that, if you want to know more about the footage about the footage that you captured, you can kind of like move it or share it to your Mac, and then when you go and find it in your Finder and see more information about it, you're gonna see exactly in which codec or color space it's gonna be in. So that is another way to kind of like figure it out after you have already captured the footage. So I hope it makes sense. I try to explain it the best I could. I hope I will be able to catch you later in the next videos as well. But for now, that's it, and I'll see you in the next videos too.